Just look at that. It's really full. The river now is really dangerous. You can't go there. Guys, and my best friends are so tired. Look, they are very tired, and the river is literally down here. So one mistake and the phone will be inside the water. So you have to be really careful. Where? Where are you going? And then Sumniacha nitangulie basi. So these guys want to be at the ahead, they don't know where they are heading. So this is part 3 of the video, and this series has been continuing. It's just village shenanigans here and there. On today's part, I didn't engage in a lot of activities back at home. But I just want to show you village life, raw, unfiltered and edited. I don't know which route is the best. This one or this one? No, I can't go there. That one seems to be different. I am really trying to avoid, you know, in such places, if you're not sure, try and avoid using shortcuts, because you don't know what you'll find it ahead. Try and use where people have been passing through, just to be sure. So that's what I'm doing. And it's a really deep bush, and I'm seeing there's somewhere that the pipe has busted, and also we do have a river. This is a river right here, and here there's a pipe that has busted, and now that's a challenge, because I don't know if that's our pipe or a community pipe. And that one I don't know. No, this one is community pipe because of this. That is community pipe because of this. You see this? Yes. Now I am challenged. I can't use this one. You'll have now to go back and use the other route, because that's a lot of water and I can't see a road past here. Oh, there is it. So you see, here's the pipe that has busted, and I think the owners don't even know. This is our pipe, this one that goes to home, and this one is community. So I don't know how I'll pass through here. No, I can't. That one seems to be challenging. Now I'll have to use another route. Simba, I'll have to use another route, because I can't pass through there. We are getting lost in the village. I know that sounds fun. I can't use here. I can't pass anywhere that people have not passed through, because I don't have a gumboot. You know, gumboot protects people from things like snakes. And protects people from things like snakes. Just look at that, I told you my place is not beautiful. Haha! Just look at that. Checky! So guys, we continue with the hike. I had to look for a better road, and I think I just found it. So here, these are now real village shenanigans. So for those guys who are saying that I might be mad, I'm really sorry. But if this is what you call madness, then this is what if this is what you consider madness, you are allowed to call me mad any day, any time. Guys, this place is so slippery because the sun doesn't this place is so slippery because the sun doesn't reach the ground. You see, it has a lot of mud. Let's look. It is really, literally slippery. Really slippery. Now this is a papaya plant. This is a papaya plant, and somebody just cut it out. And this is somebody who is really destructive, and he literally did nothing on it. Look, here they are. These are wild papaya, not wild papaya, because not really wild, because what we are eating was once wild. Those are papayas that grow naturally. Those are papayas that grow naturally. And that's what nature is supposed to be. Nature is supposed to balance itself that way. Now this is a serious hike. I told you guys, I can give you a village tour at a very small fee. Now look where I just want to pass through. Look. This is the spot that I want to pass through. I'll have to squat. Let me try and see if I can just fix the entrance, because I can't slash the whole bush. That's now being destructive. But this is a spot that I'll pass through. Here. You see. Now these are challenges. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, kindly subscribe to the channel. Kindly guys, subscribe to the channel. Support the channel. And let's make this video go viral. And this is it's a certain breed of wild bananas. They're called, I don't know what they're called in English, but we call it in our local language salsuriet. This one. They grow naturally. And monkeys really love them, especially the white Columbus monkeys. They love those type of, I don't know if it's bananas or what do we call it. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm in a very tight spot right now. But it's good that I know where I'm headed to, and I know how I'll come back if I'll be forced to go back. I can't wait for the days that I'll be visiting other people's villages just to do this. I can't wait. Now that will be the real being getting lost in the village. This is getting lost in the village. This is getting lost in the village, but not really getting lost, because I might guess my route back and find it back home. But on new places, it will be a real challenge. You know guys, forgive me for the noise in the background. That is the river. That is noise coming from the river. So if there's a lot of noise in the background, kindly forgive me. And you know, I don't have a noise cancellation. Maybe those are things I'll get when I perfect my craft. And maybe one of you guys surprises me with those gadgets that can cancel that noise. But so far, we are cruising nicely. So let's go on with our hike. I have to be really careful because this place is very slippery, and this place is really slippery. I think this is my best spot to record for my Instagram. Let me record for my Instagram, guys. So kindly go check on my Instagram and TikTok, but Instagram mostly. You'll find me on my Instagram. So I've just recorded for my Instagram, and if you find it, if you visited this video from my Instagram post, I really do appreciate. Even I want to take a picture that I'll post on my Instagram stories. So I'll take it somewhere. I don't know where. I'll just look for a perfect place to take my picture. I think this is the best place. Let me try. So now I really do wish I had someone to take pictures of me. But it would have distracted me from my smooth recording. I love to use here. So guys, my dogs are wondering what's happening. But they're my best company, guys. That's the truth. So when I'm with them, they're my best friends while I'm in the village. So there is a certain guys, I just told you, we are in a, the more we go, the more it goes up. So where at this spot that I am right now, it's now starting to, we are now getting closer to where we are headed. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. Forgive the lighting. Let me try and go against the light. Just look at that. How beautiful it is. Guys, my village really looks cool. Guys, I just told you I can give you a village tour at a really small fee. Very affordable. Very affordable price. I don't even know how I'll take my thumbnail. But let me just figure it out. But at this spot, we are now getting closer to a final destination. It's only that it's about to get really tough, because here, just look at where we want to pass through. This now, we'll have to squat for majority of the path. I don't know where my dogs have gone. Simba! 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 You don't want them to go far away because they might get into these bushes and they are not that safe. Simba. Simba. That's a Columbus monkey. Look where we have to pass through, guys. Here you literally have to squat. Because it has stones. Even the dog can't pass comfortably. What of me? And I'm taller, but we are almost there. So while I'll be coming back, I don't even know if I'll use this route, or I'll try and find another route. We are now very close to the river. Look, here's the river now. It's more clearer from this spot. Look. Guys, my village is really beautiful. On that one, you'll have to allow me to brag. Allow me to brag, guys. My village is really beautiful. And there's a waterfall in front of me. And it is really huge because it has been raining. So, there's a lot of water in the river. And look at this tree, guys. Just look at it. Look. This is no, this is not Mogumo. It's just an indigenous tree. Look. Look how the roots look like. It's two trees that have conjoined together. Now this really looks cool, Let me take a picture of this. And guys, we got to the waterfall. I think we just reached our final destination. Woo! You know, guys, sometimes you might really get tired trying to achieve something. But once you achieve it, you really feel that like you are really contented. You have really achieved, even though it was really hard on you, you finally achieved it. So I just brought you to one of my best spots in the village. Just look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Look at that. And I'm in the company of this gentleman and lady. Look, nature. Nature. And finally, look at that. Just look at that. It's really full. The river now is really dangerous. You can't go there. Just look at that. Now guys, that is my village. Let me go closer so that I can get a thumbnail. Guys, just look at that. The river is literally full. You can't go there. Where we don't normally fix this water, you see? You see the water? Now, that tank right there, I think you can see that tank right there. Even I wrote my name at that spot when it was still new. Brian, I think you can see. Let me try and I wish I had a Samsung. You see those words right there? That is B-R-I-A-N. So that tank collects water and it goes all the way down to my home through gravity. And this part is really high. It's a really high spot. So it goes all the way to my home. So now I have now to plan on how I'll go back. But I'm really fulfilled. I just had a really good day. I think even I need to wash my face. Even though it's really dangerous. Let me try if I can get a spot to wash my face on, so that I can start my journey back home. But my heart is really fulfilled. I couldn't record at that spot. Hey, the river is really wild right now. You have to try as much as possible and avoid interacting with it. I have to find a shortcut so that I can get to there. But this place really looks dangerous. I can't risk passing through here. So now I have to go back using the long route. But I better go that long route and reach my final destination rather than risking and don't get home. Because there's a spot that you normally pass, but you have to get into the river first of all and climb or go to the other side of the river. But right now it's really risky because the river is full. The river is running so fast. I can't risk. I can't risk. So the journey back home starts right now. But up to this point, my heart is really fulfilled. I have achieved this video's target. I forgot to, alright. I just achieved today's target. I don't know which way should I go. So guys, I think we just crossed the hardest part. And now I have now to try and finish the remaining part. It's not that hard though, the remaining parts. But just the same way the journey started, it's how it will end. So guys, my main reason of coming here was one, to give you a tour, and two, to tell you more about the water. So that water I just showed you, that is one of the highest spots in the village, and since there's a place that the water has settled a bit, that is the spot that the community decided they'll be using it to collect water, which goes all the way to home using gravity. So I think I just found a shortcut. I hope I'm not lost, but I'm closer to the highway. Yeah. Just found a shortcut. So that spot where there's a waterfall is where our community water comes from. That is where our community water comes from. So wait. So that and it's actually one of our favorite places to be while in the village, because it has a waterfall, a beautiful one actually, yeah? And the journey there is a little bit challenging, and now that's the beauty of nature walk. So this will mark the end of our nature walk series. Guys, so that marks guys, I just forgotten I did sign out of this video, and I've been coming on very fast because I've started getting hungry, and I also have to handle other responsibilities there back at home. So it's lunchtime, and I know very soon my siblings are going back to school, because it's now the back to school season. So I think this marks the end of this series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please kindly like the video, write me a comment in the comment section. I know this video will I know most of you guys will be new to this channel when you'll be watching this video, so kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's grow to a huger community. And up to this moment, the only thing I can say, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you, and we'll catch each other on our next vlog. Bye bye guys.